Are you looking to make $500 or more income from the comfort of your home? YouTube offers an incredible opportunity to turn your passion into profit through affiliate marketing. This video will show you how to make money with affiliate marketing from home, exactly how to get started, step by step. First, identify a niche you're passionate about and that has affiliate products. Research what problems your target audience faces and how you can provide solutions. This foundational step ensures your content resonates and attracts the right viewers. In this example, I will use the keyword best dog food for German Shepherd puppy. This is a good long-tail keyword that has good search volume. Amazon is one of the biggest sites in the world and has an affiliate program. Head over to Amazon.com and search for best dog food for German Shepherd puppy. There are all types and brands. You make the video, and Amazon pays you a commission. Find something you like. Pro tip: people pay for solutions. Promote products that provide a solution. If you would like a video on Amazon affiliate program or any other topic on making money with YouTube, let me know in the comments. Next, plan and create high-quality video content. Focus on tutorials, reviews, comparisons, or problem-solving videos related to your niche. Deliver genuine value and build trust with your audience. Now, find relevant affiliate programs for products or services you genuinely recommend. Place your unique affiliate links strategically in your video description and pinned comments. Always disclose that you're using affiliate links. To get discovered, optimize your videos for YouTube SEO. Use your target keywords in your video title, description, and tags. Create compelling thumbnails that grab attention and encourage clicks. Promote your videos across social media and other platforms. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and subscribe to your channel. Consistent engagement boosts your video's visibility and reach. As your audience grows, so does your earning potential. Beyond direct affiliate sales, consider building an email list by offering a free resource in exchange for their contact information. This creates a powerful lead generation funnel. Continuously analyze your video performance and audience feedback. Experiment with different content formats and affiliate products to maximize your income. Consistency and adaptation are key to long-term success. Ready to transform your home into a profit center? Start implementing these steps today and unlock the potential of YouTube affiliate marketing. Your journey to financial freedom begins now.